All right, we are going to take my motorcycle test for the second time. Failed the first time. I was a little cocky. I thought I would pass it no problem, but it wasn't the case. So, going off now. Wish me luck. See you guys in a little bit. Look at this line. There's a lot of people here at the DMV this Saturday morning. Alright, we passed. Took longer than expected, but I only got one wrong, and we are good to go. So now I just need to get my registration for the bike, and we can hit the streets. And now with this permit, I'm able to ride my motorcycle or my street legal dirt bike on the road with all the same freedoms as any other motorcycle rider, except I can't ride at night and I can't ride with a passenger until I actually get the motorcycle license. So this permit is good for up to a year before you have to actually get a license. Not in a huge rush to do that. I don't plan to do a ton of night riding anyways, and I'm not going to be carrying a passenger on the back of my dirt bike. So I can wait a few months until I figure out what I want to do with that.